if you have pity in your heart too. So you donate only 1 rupee for corona patient. You pay 1 rupee on the number given below. Your donation can save someone's life. Be kind. What do you need to know tomorrow? With this YouTube channel, you support us in this campaign to help corona patient.
Whenever we make paper aeroplane, so take him out of the house and watch him fly in the air. Sometimes that paper airplane is flying, so never fly. But it is not necessary that all paper airplanes should fly in the air. Hello friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. If the idea sounds good, then subscribe to the channel and do the bell notifications.